what we got.
We're so excited. Unbox this with us. Are you familiar with what we got?
XXL Scrunchie. So we made friends with Tina, the founder of XXL Scrunchie. She was recently on Dragon's Den too, and she sent us this package. So we're gonna open it. Also, like, I feel bad cutting this tape. It's so beautiful.
I know.
Do you know she draws all this stuff herself?
Yes, she's an artist.
Oh my god, there's so many things in here. I'm so excited.
So cute.
Thanks, Tina. Okay. I'm overwhelmed and so excited. So Tina and XXL Scrunchie are known for making the biggest, most beautiful scrunchies. Look how just huge and silky and shiny this is.
Perfect match.
She sent us these matching ones. These look so cute with so many of our everyday fit colors that we have going right now. This is actually a swim scrunchie.
What?
Yeah, I feel it. So it's like you can get it wet and you can go swimming with it on. And it matches our Adventure and Sporty Fit in gray so perfectly.
That's awesome.
This is another big, beautiful purple. Orange.
Ooh, lovely.
I think that's another swim scrunchie too. So this one looks so good with ombre sorbet.
Cute.
What else we got in here? Oh, so another thing they do is claw clips. So this one is the buttercup clip.
Cute.
Beautiful.
That will look adorable with the apricot crush, I think.
Yeah, it's like pearlescent.
I wear white and black a lot, so
it's a staple.
Staple for Stacy.
Matching small scrunchies for us that match our hair. These are perfect.
Oh,
yeah, look.
That's smart.
She like matched our hair. I love that.
No.
There's so many that will look so good with our colorful hats. Like
good with our hats. I feel like we should have our colorful hats just out to show like how adorable they would be with all these colors.
Actually, you know what we need to do.
Thank you
so much, Tina.
That was my favorite unboxing of all time.